your kindergarten teachers are here to celebrate a very special occasion, Children's Day. Today's assembly is a small gift from all your teachers to you, our wonderful students. Let's enjoy this beautiful morning together, filled with love, laughter and joy.
This teacher Vinita reporting from Woodlem Park Hamidiya. Beautiful children. Today's assembly was all about you. Your laughter, your energy and your smiles make our day so special.